Hi guys, very quick one tonight because this was just a question that a lady subscriber asked me last week and I haven't got round to it. But as we're having chicken tonight, I thought I'd do it this way for her. She wanted to know what knife and how I managed to cut the chicken that I did in another video where I put a half chicken in each side of the air fryer. How I actually cut it. She's never boned a chicken. She'd never actually cut a chicken open, and she was unsure what we used. I did use a knife, but I also suggested to her you can get like boning scissors. Butchers, well, not so much butchers, but often you'll go into these places that do cooked chickens. They actually cut them in half with these special scissors. You can buy them from a Cook's Pro shop. Okay, guys, let's move on quickly. Let's get this done. Right, okay, I am going to, it's a little baby chicken. Well, when I say baby, it's not baby as such. It's a small chicken. My Ninja, being the small Ninja, can only take, I think this is about £3, 2 ounces. What I do, I don't know if this is right or not. I'm not professional. I'm just like everybody else. I turn it round onto there and I find the backbone and I go in via the backbone. This is your backbone here. Yes, good knife, or a sharp knife, because this is not, it's my husband's favourite knife actually, but I wouldn't call it a good knife. It's not one of the Japanese knives I'm wanting, or the German knives I like so much. Right, okay. So there you've got 2 halves of a chicken with 1 knife. This is what they call an Eversharp knife. It's a chef's knife. It's beautifully balanced. That's the one thing I do like about it. And John does keep the knife sharp, which does make a difference. We just have a sharpener. So that's it, guys. You've got 2 halves chicken. What I'm going to do with it, I'm going to wash my hands and then I'm going to sprinkle my spices on, put a fresh lemon with it and bung it in the Ninja and cook it. And that is basically it. So that's it. So if you want to know how, chef's knife, keep it sharp. And then I always find going down, because you've turned it over, going down that backbone is the easiest way of doing it. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching that little bit of instruction on how to get 2 halves of a chicken. See you soon. Bye now.